Here's some effective ways for college students to save money. Number one, you gotta budget expenses. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Plan ahead. Create a budget for food, textbooks, and supplies to avoid last minute purchases. Number three, use public transportation. Relying on public transit can save you money on gas and parking. All right. Number four, avoid buying new textbooks. Instead of purchasing new books, consider renting from other students or looking for free resources online. All right. Number five, take advantage of supermarket deals. Look for discounts and sales when grocery shopping to maximize your savings. Number six, save regularly. Set aside a portion of your income each month. Even small amounts can add up over time. All right. Number seven, participate in free events. Attend free events and activities organized by your college to enjoy entertainment without spending money. All right. By following these strategies, you can manage your finances more effectively while in college. All right.